Hey bloggers, it's time to have a heart-to-heart about why your blog might not be working and what you can do to fix it. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about planning. You might be thinking, I just want to write, why do I need a plan? Here's the deal. Without a plan, your blog is like a road trip without a map. You might have fun driving around, but you probably won't reach your destination. Here's why planning is crucial. It helps you define your goals, understand your audience, and create content that resonates with them. Think about it. If you don't know who you're writing for, how will you know if you're meeting their needs? Now, why do so many blogs fail? It's usually because they lack focus. Bloggers often try to cover too many topics or write inconsistently. When there's no clear niche or posting schedule, readers get confused and lose interest. Consistency and clarity are key. So, how do you create a blog with a plan? Start by defining your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you have expertise in? Narrowing your focus helps attract a dedicated audience. Next, understand your audience. Who are they? What problems do they face? What solutions can you offer? Create reader personas to guide your content creation. Then set some goals. What do you want to achieve with your blog? More traffic, higher engagement, or maybe monetization? Clear goals will give you direction and motivation. Now let's talk content strategy. Plan your content in advance. Create an editorial calendar with topics, keywords, and posting dates. This not only keeps you organized, but also helps you stay consistent. And don't forget SEO. Research keywords and optimize your posts to make them discoverable by search engines. This increases your reach and drives more traffic to your blog. Finally, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community. People are more likely to return if they feel connected to you. To wrap it up, a successful blog doesn't just happen by chance. It requires planning, consistency, and engagement. So, take the time to map out your journey, and you'll see your blog reach new heights. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more blogging tips. Happy blogging!